Our customer service would be 100%. I sell real estate, so being a property manager, that extra care that goes into taking care of our properties and our owners and the extensiveness of the knowledge we have with the laws regarding tenants and landlords sets us apart. The biggest thing that property owners that aren't using the property management company face is finding the best qualified tenant. We use a system that does a credit check, background check, an eviction check. So we really vet our tenants. Issues that property owners face are maintenance issues and the being available and accessible to their tenants. It's an ongoing, constant thing to manage a property, and it takes a lot of time. So managing, and as far as the laws go, the laws are changing always. California is very tenant friendly, so keeping up to date with the changing laws is a huge task, and it's a lot of information, and to understand all of it, the collaborativeness of it and with the laws, it's a huge deal. Collecting rent for property owners is probably the biggest nightmare. We have an amazing system. It's all online. Our tenants can go on, they have an account set up, payments due on the 1st, late after the 3rd, and it's easily allocated and checked by us. So we don't have to run around and go collect checks or worry about checks bouncing from tenants. It's all done in an instant with us. Because of the extensiveness of the way we vet our tenants, we have, since 2006, Kelly has had one eviction, and that eviction was due to a divorce situation, not the way we vetted or placed the tenant. So even through all of this with COVID, we have had a very, very extremely low rate of people not paying their rent, or actually nobody's not paid their rent. We've had people call and work it out, but everybody's pretty much paid their rent and paid on time. So we were contacted recently by a homeowner, a military family out of state that placed their own tenant by running an ad, and that tenant is not paying rent, hasn't been paying rent. We stepped in and helped do the eviction with them, and it's been a nightmare for them. So utilizing a property management company to vet tenants better, make sure that the tenant is qualified, and establish a relationship with the tenant so that evictions don't happen, it would be 100% of don't do this yourself. Don't. There's too much at stake. Your property's at stake. Just don't do it yourself. It becomes a nightmare. Owning a property is a huge investment. So if you can have a professional, reliable realty property management invest it for as little as $99 a month, why wouldn't you?